Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Firstly, just open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that thanks to this button with 3 lines. Now click on those 2 rectangles at the top left corner of your app. And click on the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!